All right. Testing all my flagrant misbehavior. What the hell is my savior, my God from the blink away? And if my pupils dilate this gray world, maybe we'll get that string of pearls, my prize as a price to pay. And soon I will float down the river of my dreams, as you sing to me through the darkness and enrapture everything. No, I don't have the answers to the questions that you seek. Man, you've got such a long time till you're ready to begin. The river's moving slowly, carrying me to peace. And when you say that you love me, are you sure that's what you need?